Common Law Handbook for Jurors, Sheriffs, Bailiffs, and Justices. Men must be governed by God, or they will be ruled by tyrants. William Penn. It's the duty of jurors, sheriffs, bailiffs, and justices to resist all infringements upon the rights of the people without delay. Thomas Jefferson said, "Whenever people are well informed, they can be trusted with their own government." Clearly, the government cannot be in charge of deciding for themselves whether or not they should indict themselves on criminal charges or not. This is precisely why we have so much corruption in our government. It is the duty of the people to stand up as faithful and wise stewards, Luke chapter 12, verse 42, and bring the servants who think themselves as masters back into subjection. Common law is common sense. The question each jurist must ask himself is there an injured party? There is a common law principle which states that for there to be a crime, there must first be a victim, corpus delicti. The state cannot be the injured party. In the absence of a victim, there can be no crime. This is what the grand jurist must discover. The constitutions of most of our states assert that all power is inherent in the people, that they may exercise it by themselves in all cases to which they think themselves competent, as in electing their functionaries, executive and legislative, and deciding by a jury of themselves, both fact and law, of the common law grand jury to expose all fraud and corruption, whether it is in the political or judicial realm, and stop it. The authority of the grand jury is found only in the Bill of Rights. Therefore it comes from God and not government. Amendment 5. No person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime, unless on a presentment or indictment of a grand jury. It is in effect a fourth branch of a government, governed and administrated to directly by and on behalf of the American people. Trial jurors. It is the duty of the jury to execute justice and sometimes mercy. Their decisions cannot be second-guessed. The jury shall have the right to determine the law and the fact. New York Constitution, Article 1, Statute 8, as understood at common law and as used in constitutional provision, jury imports a body of 12 men. State, verse